Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to resize images in Photoshop and keep the quality. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, you have to open your browser and search Adobe Photoshop. Download the application Adobe Photoshop on your PC or laptop. Add your image or drag it from the folder to Photoshop. After adding the image, you can see points at the sides of the image to resize it. You can adjust or resize the image by stretching the points. Tap on the tick icon on the home bar at the top of the screen. Also, you can move your image in the blank space. Click on File from the menu bar and then click on New from the drop-down menu. You can customize the size of the untitled page like letter, landscape, and custom. After selecting the size, click on Create. Add your image to the untitled page and adjust it by stretching the points. You can resize your image according to your page size. Photoshop provides a preview of how the resized image will look. You can toggle the preview on and off to compare. Once you're satisfied with the size and quality, click OK to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.